nice beach in Pattaya. There's Koh Larn Island over there. It's reopened now. I'm up here at the lighthouse. This Pattaya has a lighthouse. Today's Friday, September the 10th. Get that right. Thought we'd go along. It's going to rain again today. Look at all the clouds there. Thought we'd take a quick look around the pier area. It's a nice little road up that way too. Just that forecast rain again. The flood damage was pretty bad in Pattaya. A lot of the condo car parks, cars were towed away. Hope they have insurance. There's a few boats still washed up on the beach. They're supposed to redevelop this area here and put steps up to the Pattaya sign. Maybe they're waiting for that building to be demolished. The sun's out at the moment. It's 28 degrees. But I think it's going to pour down again the next couple of days. That's the pier where they load all the goods onto the docks. A couple of good little restaurants along here too. Just there. Let's go along here while there's no people. Maybe a bit of storm damage. The Pattaya sign up there. Good if they put steps up to there, easier to get to. Looks calm now in Pattaya, but they said the other day was 2-meter waves. I wish I would have seen that. Look at that building. You'd think they would have blown it up or something while there was no one around here. Not going to be easy to take that down. The ferries to Hue Hin are now cancelled. The contract, the 2 big boats, there's not enough people going there. It was 1,000 baht each way. And they've scrapped that, so now we have to go on the bus or drive. There's only about 3 boats a day, I think, at the moment, with no tourists really here. Still have the check-in, COVID check-in. You don't need to be vaccinated just yet. But I think they're talking about bringing in the passports of some sort, QR code, whatever they're doing. It's getting hot now in the sun out here. I wonder how that car park went. It's an underground car park. That would have been flooded out, you think, with all the cars parked around here. Let's go take a look down at the beach just here. I'll drive onto the beach in a minute and have a look at this. It's a good hotel there, Bali Hai Bay. Just there. Look at that building. It's a tall, skinny thing. An old mixed discotheque. This is the bottom end of Walking Street just here. Walking Street. A couple of clubs used to be in there too. Clubbing, museum, a few other things. Have a look at this. Whee! All-wheel driving. Be a nice little coffee shop there. Cupcakes. Sit there by the water. Hey, look at this, we're on the sand. It's all hard and compact. Pattaya Beach after the floods. Looking alright. There's a few people on the pier coming back. Must have been a boat. You can stay overnight on Koh Larn Islands. Lots of hotels there. Come back in the morning. But Pattaya's still good. Let's hope we don't get more floods. Just stay safe, everyone. The COVID's still okay here. They want to open everything up soon. Another meeting in 4 days. Let's hope they open up more things. Tourist attractions are now open, but there's no tourists. Anyway, guys, stay safe. It's Uru from P. Joe. Over and out.